Products are inspired by nature and realized by science through plant stem cell, the future of regenerative medicine. Some of you may have heard about the powerful benefit of the stem cell therapy. To explain this, let me give you a little background about stem cells. From biology, we've learned that the human life starts with a cell. These cells multiply, then differentiate, transforming into any of the 220 different kinds of cells which take up an organ-specific function in the body. They then transform into different organs such as muscle, nerve, blood, or tissue according to their chosen cell functions. Once a cell has chosen its functions, it is programmed to serve its purpose for a number of years and then die. Stem cells are extra number of unspecialized cells, which we are all born with, that help activate dormant cells, repair damaged cells, fight disease cells, and replace dead cells. However, as we age, we use up a large number of these stem cells, and they also start to lose their potency and functionality. In fact, from birth to the age of 18, you lose 60% of your stem cells, and by the age of 30 years, the 25% of stem cells left in your body will decrease to 5% by the time you are 60. This is where the breakthrough of stem cell technology has revolutionized the medical science in the ability to help add stem cells to the body. This enables the body to repair itself. This has provided a solution to many chronic diseases previously classified as incurable. That takes place in a cellular level such as cancer, diabetes, heart disease, muscular degeneration, eye and joint health, you can just name it, etc. The key factor is that stem cells help to naturally regenerate organs, assisting them to function and as a result improve and support a healthy immune functions without the side effects experienced from conventional medicines. Stem cells add years to your life and life to your years. This is why I'm so excited today to share with you SUPERLIFE's flagship products, SUPERLIFE Total Care 30, which we simply call Stis.